Hey guys, welcome to Chicken Fried Kitchen. Today we're working on a Copycat Popeyes Spicy Chicken Sandwich recipe. For this recipe you'll need chicken breasts, flour, Cajun seasoning, cornstarch, buttermilk, vegetable oil for frying, mayonnaise, cayenne, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, salt, accent, and hot sauce. Begin by pounding the chicken breast to an even thickness, then slice the breast in half crosswise. Next, whisk half of the Cajun seasoning into the buttermilk in a mixing bowl. Now, submerge the chicken breast into the buttermilk mixture and marinate for at least 4 hours, but preferably 24 hours. For the spicy mayo, whisk together the mayonnaise, cayenne, paprika, garlic and onion powder, cumin, salt, accent, and hot sauce together in a separate mixing bowl. Refrigerate the sauce until ready to serve, preferably 24 hours, just like the chicken. About 30 minutes before frying, combine the flour, cornstarch, and remaining Cajun seasoning in a mixing bowl. Then stir in about 4 tablespoons of the buttermilk mixture into the flour. This will create some clumping, giving us that perfect, crunchy, craggy breading we're looking for. Don't forget, you can always check the description for ingredients, step-by-step instructions, and the full recipe link. If you love comfort food recipes as much as I do, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to be notified of future recipes just like this one. Now let's keep cooking. Next, dredge each chicken breast in the flour mixture, pressing the breading firmly onto the chicken, making sure it's fully coated. Rest the chicken for about 15 minutes, and in the meantime, heat your oil to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the oil has come to temp, fry the chicken breasts for about 5 minutes on each side or until golden brown with an internal temp of at least 165 degrees. Lastly, assemble the sandwiches on brioche buns with the spicy mayo and sliced dill pickles. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how your Copycat Popeyes Spicy Chicken Sandwiches turned out, and as usual, happy cooking.